Yes, sir, nasabi rin kasi ni General Browner, yun nga po yung tanong din ni kanina, na may mga partner nations and allies na nga rin pong nagtanong about this po. In what any way po can they help us about this nga po in terms of siguro monitoring or yung future response nga po?
Again, I have mentioned a while ago, at this stage, it's still internal to us. And we would like to have it as it is. And whether we will be invoking our other treaty allies or like-minded partners, again, at this time, it's premature. And we'll cross the bridge when we get there.
Thank you, sir. Sir, aside sa research vessels, wala namang dredging vessel na monitored po within the area?
No, there are no dredging vessels. At least for the record, I can tell you that there are no dredging vessels that we monitored in Bajo de Masinloc.
Thank you, sir.
Second round, Ms. Ma'am Marisol.
Undersecretary Lopez, sir, we understand that you guarantee us that you will continue monitoring. Maybe as a Filipino citizen, siguro ang apprehension namin lahat, this might be a prelude to another construction in the area like what happened to the other territory that we have been claiming. So, are you saying na hindi naman ito nakikita ninyo ngayon that this might be a prelude to that? Somehow they're planned to have a construction in the area.
Again, everything is speculative. But I want to tell you the bottom line of our government, okay? The bottom line is your government, the Philippines, will remain steadfast in protecting its sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction. We will continue to pursue lawful, peaceful, and rules-based approaches while safeguarding our national interests. That's the bottom line of our government.
So, pwede ba namin tanungin, sir, kung may guarantee na walang magiging construction doon?
Again, we will guarantee that the Philippine government will do everything on its part. Not sabi nga ng ating presidente, we will not lose even a square inch of our territory, even to a superpower. And we will pursue that through diplomatic channels, peaceful means, and in accordance with our national interests.
Good morning again, sir. The structures that we found in Bajo de Masinloc, does this trigger any memories of what happened in Mischief Reef before, when initially the Chinese constructed these structures saying it's for fishermen's shelter, and then eventually it they developed it? So are we seeing the same trend this early?
NMC, sir.
Well, the nightmare of Mischief Reef is still there. Okay, that's why the position of our government, basically, nandun yung ating presidente, we will not lose an even inch. Basically, it's a lessons learned. That's why we are saying that the Philippines will do everything it can, based on international law, based on diplomacy, and based on our national interests.
If you will notice, if I may add, if you will notice, we have learned our lessons in the past. The approach of the Chinese Communist Party is salami slicing, or to slowly chip off our territory. That's why the pronouncement of the government, as mentioned by the good Undersecretary, could be summarized in 1 square inch. And all instruments of government, to include the Department of Defense, DOTR, the Coast Guard, BFAR, DFA, and all other agencies will ensure that the integrity of the national territory will remain. That will include monitoring right now developments on Bajo de Masinloc. And we are closely monitoring that to an interagency effort.